Hey guys, Morgan's Maintenance. Today's video we're going to be looking at a MegaPRO screwdriver. So I've never owned a MegaPRO screwdriver. This is the very first one. I made a post about this one recently because a lot of people are buying 250th anniversary of the US editions of all sorts of things, whether it's buckets, tools, whatever it is. And this is the 15-in-1 MegaPRO America 250 years edition multi-bit driver. There's the part number and stuff there. So it's going to run you about 32 bucks on Amazon. And whenever I just went and checked, they only had like 7 left in stock. So they don't have very many in stock. But here it is, MegaPRO, made in America since 1994. It's red, white, and blue as far as all the colors on the screwdriver itself. Here's the backside celebrating 250 years of liberty, freedom, and honor. And then this was the nicest part of it, I thought, was the tail cap. United States of America, 250 years, 1776 to 2026. So I've never owned a MegaPRO screwdriver, so I don't know if this one's got any differences from the other ones. I did notice off the bat, this goes in and out really nice on this one in comparison to maybe like the Klein 15-in-1. This one's working pretty good right now, but over time, sometimes this one sticks and it's a little bit harder to get out. But I don't really use this screwdriver that much. I probably won't use this one that much either. I mostly bought it because it's something that I can keep here in my garage and grab and have a lot of bits right there in one spot. But here you have the bits that are included in it. I'll see if I can put a picture up here of all the bits that are inside this screwdriver so I don't go through every single one. But they are like a double-sided shaft with a ball bearing. That's what locks it in. So here's a very small precision style Phillips. Let's see, it's a number 0 and then a number 3 on the other side. Push them in. There's no magnetism or anything like that. It's just a double-sided bit. It does have a spot up here that you can kind of grab a hold of. It's even got indentions for a wrench, but that spins. So like if you stick your finger up here, a lot of times that's where I stick my hand on my screwdriver and I just have to hold it loose to steady it. You can put it there and then spin, and that kind of spins with it as well. Decent grip on here. I did notice also, I'll go ahead and show you, that's why I actually got this screwdriver out. It's the same exact bits that are in your Klein 15-in-1 ratcheting screwdriver. So if you want something like a combo bit, so here's a combo 1 and combo 2. You can run those in there as well because that's not included in this set. So if you already have this screwdriver and some of the bits are in this one that aren't in the MegaPRO, they are kind of interchangeable. I don't have any other screwdrivers. I kind of looked around to see if I had some other ones that had bits like this too, and I didn't. So, but not a lot to say about it. Again, it's a 250th anniversary edition of the US MegaPRO. Let me know in the comments below if you're a MegaPRO fan, and then also maybe there's some other feature on other MegaPROs, or you're seeing something on this one that's not on the other ones. You can let us know that in the comments below as well. I'm just letting you know in this video that it's out there and available. Hope it's helpful. Stay safe. Have a blessed day. I'll see you in the next video.